I'm going to show you how to factory reset a hard reset just using the keys on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 as well as the Watch 6 Classic. So this is what we have to do. Okay, we have to get into the Android recovery menu. So I want you to go ahead and put your watch to the side, and don't forget with a factory reset you will lose all your information, but it's going to back it up to your phone if you're going to go ahead and factory reset for a clean slate and put it back on your phone. Okay, anyway, to do this, you have two keys up here. One here is the power/home button, and here is the back button. We're going to press and hold both buttons together. Keep on holding until the Samsung logo appears. Once it appears, let go of both buttons and quickly start spamming the power button. Okay, we'll do it together. Both buttons ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep on holding. Keep on holding, waiting for that Samsung logo to appear. Come on, where's it at? There it is, let go, and now start spamming the power button. There we go. Now we want to be on this screen right here. So what we want to do is go down to recovery, okay? So you have the power button, just tap the power button and you can keep moving down, okay? If you skip the recovery, just keep going. It'll go back up and just go all the way back down to recovery right there. Now we want to select recovery. To select it, the power button, press and hold it. Now hold it. Okay, that's good. Now let go. And now wait for it to boot up into the Android recovery menu. Just be patient here with the Samsung logo, so just wait. Voila. Okay, so we're in the Android recovery menu. And now from here, what we want to do is go down to wipe data / factory reset. Now listen up very carefully. Now for this one here, to move down, we're going to use the back button. Don't touch the power button, okay? So the back button here is on the bottom. So I'm going to go down, 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 white data / factory reset. Again, if you pass it, no problem, just keep going all the way down, down, and then it'll bring you back up, and then we're going to go back down to, oh, I passed it again. It's hard for me to see. Let's see, wipe, where is it at? No. Okay, let me zoom in more so I can see it. Okay, so there, wait, what is that? Okay, there we go. Wipe data / factory reset. Now to select it, tap on the power button. Now this is saying once this is done, it cannot be recovered. So we need to move down to factory data reset. So use the bottom, the back button here. Go down to factory reset. And now to select it, you want to tap on that power button. And go ahead and let it do its thing now. Now it boots us back, or it defaults back to, defaults to reboot system now, and that's exactly what we want. So we're going to select that. To do that, just tap the power button right there and let it go ahead and perform the factory reset. So this is probably going to take about like 3 minutes or so. So just be patient here now. It's just about done. Voila. We just performed a factory reset. There you go. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.